After getting the center of the floor plan, it's time to orient it, which means finding the geographical north of the floor plan. You can easily find it out using Google Maps. It's very likely that the north is already indicated on your home plan, but I suggest checking anyway with Google Maps if the north indicated on your plan is correct. In my consultations, it happened quite a number of times that it was not correct at all. As I just mentioned, we use Google Maps, google.com/maps or maps.google.com, and the important thing is to switch to satellite view. This is done by clicking on the satellite option at the bottom left corner. Doing so, you can see the actual buildings instead of the roads only. You should be able very easily to recognize your building. In this example, the building is in this area. It's this group of houses. So I'll position it at the center of the screen and zoom it as far as possible. Another thing you need to check is that the compass is actually pointing north, like this. So the red triangle should point up. If it's not pointing up, like I can simulate this, if it's not pointing up, you need to click on it and it will reset to point up. So with the building centered, you have three options for figuring out the north. First, a digital option. For this option, you can take a screenshot. I'll show you. And here you are. You have the screenshot. Second, the transparent glass option. To use this option, you need to print this screen. You actually need only this part here, so you can do the following. You can go to the settings and rescale at the maximum scale option. And here you are, now you can print it. The third option is the old style manual no-brainer option. You can keep it like this and follow to the next steps. We are starting from the last one, the third one, because it's really a no-brainer. You can do this on the monitor of the computer because the monitor's light and the monitor frame help a lot. I take the printed floor plan, and as you can see, I have already centered it, so we have the center of the floor plan. I align the floor plan with the wall of the buildings here. You can see here are the buildings, and I'm aligning it like this. I do this as best as possible. It doesn't need to be super perfect, so even a slight tilt of some degrees would not change anything. Neither in finding the Vastu areas of influence nor in locating the central area or the energy of the entrance. It's almost impossible to make large errors with this method, so you should be okay. As you can see, it's very simple. I use masking tape, paper tape to attach the floor plan to the monitor, so this is not, damaging the monitor, not even your floor plan. In this zoom, you can see how I align the buildings with the floor plan. I've positioned the set square so that it's perpendicular, so I've just placed it on the frame of the monitor actually, and with a pen here you can mark the north direction. And here we are, we have found the north direction, and after doing this I can compare this north direction with the one I may have in the floor plan and see if they match. If they don't, you should take the Google Maps one you just found as the right one. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumb up, and if you want more on Vastu, the yoga of living, please subscribe. Okay, the second option is the transparent glass one. We are going to see this as a technique to draw to find out the areas of influence of Vastu on your floor plan with the Vastu compass.